cleans the lungs and stops coughing. Natural drink with 100% natural ingredients. Ginger, lemons, peel and slice/chop all ingredients. Lemon itself contains a lot of vitamin C, which is full of antioxidants in it. This will help improve lung health. Ginger helps thin phlegm, relieves inflammation, and helps make circulation to the lungs smoother. Put all the ingredients into the blender. Add water 200 milliliters. Blend all ingredients until evenly mixed. This juice is very good for maintaining lung health.